Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Uptimia, a tool that claims to monitor your website's uptime, speed, and health to improve site performance. The tool just arrived on AppSumo. It's a website monitoring tool that tracks your site's uptime, speed, and performance. So it's not about only uptime, it's uptime, speed, and performance. They will track your real users in real time as well. It's a good combo. It's the first time that I see that kind of combo in AppSumo. You can see here that you get SSL monitoring, real user monitoring, transaction monitoring. So you're gonna get the whole combo with Uptimia. And the limits are also pretty good. You can see here the dashboards where you get the average availability, the incidents on your website, the health monitors, the speed of the website, if they were down, when, etc. So with tier 1, you're gonna get all of their standard plan, and tier 2 and 3, the advanced plan. So if you want to get the best plan yourself to get at least the tier 2, which is $139. The difference here will be all the limits, the SMS limits, the total page views per month limit. But even on the tier 1, 750K total page views per month, it's a lot. But if you get tier 2, so they are huge, so the limits are pretty good. 50 uptime checks per month, 5 advanced checks per month, 1 minute testing interval. The intervals on license tier 2 and 3 are better. I think the best cost benefits here will be the tier 2. So let's take a look at the tool. So here's the onboarding process. You will start adding your website. I'm gonna add a website here. Well, next, you can select email or SMS to receive alerts about any incident on your website. Remember that SMS only for USA and Canada. So just add your email and you're done. So it's pretty simple to connect it. Here's the dashboard where you can see all the features. So since I just connected my website, I have, of course, no active incident, health monitors everything okay, total monitors number 3, and I can add new ones. So you can see here that my SSL is okay, my HTTPS, my website is up by now, and my speed is 4 seconds, almost 5. I need to improve that a little bit, and I'm 100%, okay? So as you can see here, the dashboard is clean and really to see everything that's happening. If you want to create new monitors, you click here, and you're gonna see the kind of monitors that they have. They have uptime monitoring for the website, network, or even your email, SSL monitoring, speed monitoring. You can, of course, even monitor a blog post, the speed of a blog post, not only like the website name. Real use monitoring, so they will alert the traffic. Just add the name of your website, the URL, so alert when the traffic stops, performance alerts. So then you can see if you get less or more visitors. JavaScript errors or alerts you can see as well. And then you can use an email to alert, or even the SMS. In that case, to monitor, of course, what's happening on our website, you need to add that script here after you configure the real user monitoring. So you're gonna get analytics, okay, with satisfaction, page views, everything that's any JavaScript error, so anything that you can get with a visitor analytics. That's the difference with Uptimia. It's not only an uptime tool, but also you're gonna get a visitor analytics tool that can replace, for instance, Google Analytics. So you can see one of the graphics here about uptime of my website, the incidents, the logs, and also you have a transaction monitoring. All the infrastructure of your website is working well. Just add your website name as well, and URL. You can see that you can set up everything pretty fast. So you can create different kind of commands to see if everything is loading properly. You have a reporting features. You can add your team, your users. About integrations, you get webhooks, Slack, Microsoft Teams, PagerDuty, MetaMost, Telegram, Discord, and status page. So this is Uptiming. I think it's a pretty, if you need website analytics and monitoring tool, it's pretty complete. And you can even change the calendar to check the availability between different kind of dates. So the tool is complete. Take a look at it, see if it works for you. You can click on the link in the description, so it will help me to keep going as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.